Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore that has gained attention in recent years. We're going to uncover the top 10 benefits of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Get ready to discover the incredible advantages this practice can offer for your health and well-being. But before we continue, it is important to note that all the information presented in this video is supported by scientific evidence and has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals to ensure impartiality and accuracy. Olive oil is not just a cooking ingredient. It has numerous health benefits when consumed on an empty stomach. So, let's jump right into the top 10 benefits you can experience from incorporating this into your routine. Number 1. Cardiovascular Health. Olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Drinking it on an empty stomach might just give your heart an extra boost. Number 2. Digestive Support. Did you know that consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can support digestion? Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach stimulates the production of bile, aiding in digestion and potentially relieving digestive discomfort. Number 3. Antioxidant Powerhouse. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which help fight oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Number 4. Weight management. Weight management is another area where drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can potentially make a difference. The healthy fats in olive oil help increase satiety and regulate appetite, assisting you in your weight management efforts. Number 5. Cognitive benefits. Olive oil isn't just good for your heart and digestion, it's also beneficial for your brain. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats have been associated with improved brain health, potentially protecting against cognitive decline and promoting better cognitive function. If you've been enjoying the content so far, we would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and engaging. It helps us know that we're creating content that resonates with you. Remember to click the subscribe button and enable notifications, ensuring that you stay up to date with our upcoming videos on natural remedies and healthy living. Now, let's delve deeper into the incredible health benefits of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Number 6. Skin nourishment. Besides its internal benefits, olive oil can work wonders for your skin. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil contribute to improved skin elasticity, hydration, and overall skin health. It's like a natural beauty elixir. Number 7. Liver health. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach may help improve liver function, reduce the risk of liver diseases, and support overall liver health. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation throughout the body and supporting overall well-being. Number 9. Nutrient absorption. Consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and other nutrients, maximizing their benefits. Number 10. Overall well-being. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can be a mindful practice that promotes a sense of well-being, helping you start your day on a positive note. And there you have it. These are just a few of the surprising benefits that drinking olive oil on an empty stomach may offer. But remember, it's always important to use high-quality, extra virgin olive oil and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.